Alright, YouTube, so I'm laying down in the car, brand blue. Here to do this head now. Don't. See if I can turn y'all some light on so I can see. Gotta hit a little bit. Hang the headliner, and it's 75 hard top, probably getting to it. And I have a bunch of smaller jobs, you know, stuff, normal shit, like seat repair, you know, doing the headliner, bike factory, stuff like that. Stuff y'all probably don't want to see. I don't know if you want to see stuff like that, which I mean I have way more videos. But if you want to see regular normal stuff, man, just be let me know in the comment section, man. Just let me know, and I'll start doing it. You know, just seat repair videos and all that type of stuff. Regular factory stuff that I be doing that I don't post on. So I'm just showing y'all. I'm laying down in this car. I sprayed glue on the back side just to see. Make sure it's gonna look right. Put all them up there. I gotta do the back. So I'm gonna pull from the front to the back, and then do the sides. So I'm gonna cut this off, cut it back on after I get the front and the back. Then let y'all see that, and then I'm gonna let y'all see after I pull the sides. And I'll cut y'all back off. Alright, YouTube, so I got the front. I'm still wrinkled on the side, cause I ain't still wrinkled on the side, cause I ain't gotta do the side leg. I got the front, sit all the way in the back, front to the back. All like that. I'm doing this side first. This is first. Then two sides. So you got the pool right here. And, you know, I don't can't see it. I don't think see it a little bit, but pull them down on the side. I'm start by hitting this back corner first. Then I'm gonna do this whole side first, and then I'm gonna do that side over there. Kind of show the whole light too. That's the best side over there. That's the worst side. Yeah. As far as when I was sewing it, you got them wrinkles. I got most of them wrinkles and stuff like that. From me stitching. So if you stitch it and pulling on it and stuff too, either pulling or snagging on the material too much, you'll get them wrinkles in the stitching like that. But good thing about these though, you gonna pull out once I glue it. I pull, see how them wrinkles go. When I pull it, they're gonna come out. I glue it over there, you won't see them. But I'm just showing y'all that, man. For now, turn the damn light on the phone just so y'all can see that. But yep, that's how I look. From front to back, man. I'm gonna do the side, I'm gonna pull the side, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on, let y'all see that. In the back corner back there, I can pull that out. Front, you know, I got the extra, like I said, I got to trim that car, so I might have had. Alright, so we got the carpet in there. The headline up there. Cool. Dashboard out. Carpet in. Hat rack out. Seats up, back seats out. Still got to trim that. I'm gonna get that wrinkle out back there, don't worry about it. But next gonna be probably fitting the building a hat rack back there, the rear package tray. Building it, fitting it, make sure it fit pieces, mock up me one, because the one that was on there ain't for that. It's some bullshit piece of plywood. It's on there. So they had on there. That's the side wrong. We ain't gonna put that back in there. I'm gonna build one just regular. I don't know if I'm gonna cut out holes for the 6x9s or whatever. I had to call him and ask him, make sure he didn't see if he want to put the hole for the 6x9 back there. Was he gonna even put speakers back there? You know? Not. But I need some damn need some door panels for these. I need the bottom half. Cause he want to keep it original. But the ones he got with fiberglass and speaker holes in, he don't want the one with speaker holes in. I don't need the top half. I need the plastic bottom half. So if y'all got the plastic bottom half or something, let me know in the comment. You know how much you're gonna sell them for, so I can let him know so he can get them. But if I can't get none, I might just have to build them a one-piece custom door. Some kind of way. You get that? Yep. I just want to show y'all that. Oh, and I got that part of the dash wrap right there. It's wrap. Still gotta cut my holes out and everything that's in there. When I do that, I'm all the way done with it. And I still gotta cut out holes for, well, I gotta cut the seat back right here. I'm done with that. And I got the seat belt holes in for this and there. And for that one, whatever that did it. Got the hose off that one. So I'm gonna give y'all, this is gonna be part 1 for this dump right here. I'll probably have a part 2, 3, and 4 probably. And shoot, man, y'all comment, y'all get down in the comment section and let me know, do y'all want to do y'all want to see? I might, everyday stuff might be some shit like this. These some seat bottom for a bowling alley. That's pretty simple. I mean, it ain't exciting to me, but I don't know if y'all want to see some more stuff like that. Let me know if y'all just want to keep it up to, you know, me doing these old seats like these all the way, wasn't all the way to the frame type deal. But this dude, he bought his own foam and covers, so it ain't gonna be really nothing. They're just gonna be putting foam, the foam he bought on there and the covers that he bought. They already made it. All I did put them on. But anyway, y'all let me know that in the comment section. This the dashboard got broke down. I gotta wrap all that. Just trying to break this damn thing. Yep, I gotta wrap all that, man. So this part 1. All I did was take out everything and then put the carpet, wrap that part of the dash, and then put the headline up there, and basically just cut out holes for the carpet and stuff. In the next video, I'm gonna be making the package tray, probably wrapping the rest of the dash, putting it in there, and then putting the package tray in there after I make it. Put it in there, and then probably wrapping the little trim pieces that go around these windows and stuff, and then I'll probably do these the rear quarter panel pieces that go right there. I'll do them too and put them in the car, and then that'll be that, man. See y'all next time.